make yourself as comfortable as you can and start to take gentle, slow, deep breaths while watching the displayed image. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. This is a place of comfort. Now you are staring at the beautiful and peaceful sea in your mind. Now you are breathing slowly as you feel yourself more relaxed. Your breath becomes very deep and comforting. Continue to focus on your breath. Now, concentrate on the sound and feel the sound with all senses. Your forehead is very cool, and all negative thoughts fade away. You feel your mind being very clear. Now you are smelling the salty sea air. When you breathe in, you feel the cool, salty air coming through your nose and filling your lungs. When you breathe out, you feel all the negative energies within your body releasing through your nose. At this peaceful place, you are looking at a totally different you than before. Feel your body filled with the energy of the sea. You feel your body become stronger than ever, and feel your mind fill up with confidence. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.